Garage, and in this video we drive I think around 500 miles altogether. We go down to Texas and finally rescue this black 86 Ford 6.9 diesel crew cab. We bought this truck. If you follow the channel, you'll know we bought this truck a while back and made a couple attempts of rescuing it, which failed due to vehicle issues. But we finally got down there and got this truck and got it home, although it was fixing to be sold to someone else most likely. Someone was messing with it, bent the hood. So if all that sounds interesting to you guys, stay tuned and watch the video. Alright, it's about 4:50 in the morning. The truck's fired up and we're ready to hit the road. Alright, so we're halfway there. We went probably around 150-ish miles. Got almost 2 hours left to go. Just fueled up the truck. We were at 3/4 of a tank. And we got 10.45 miles per gallon, so almost 11 miles a gallon. So we're here at the fuel station getting filled up, and we're gonna hit the road again halfway there. So see you when we get there. So we just got the truck loaded. I did not film that because we were in a hurry. We ran around and did it because we met a guy down the road, a truck mechanic, who pulled it on for us. So we wanted to hurry up and get it loaded and get him out of here, just so we weren't tying him up too bad. But got someone to help us get it loaded, so it's loaded on here. And someone else is pulling through here, so I'm gonna slide the ramps in. We're gonna get out of the way here and give you guys a better video, but we got it loaded. Alright, so we just got pulled out of the way. We're going to get this truck moved around a little better, get a little bit of weight off the other pickup because it's squatting pretty bad. We had to hurry up and get this truck because the guy I bought it from, he was a really nice guy, very helpful guy, really looking out for us. But he works a road job. He was going to meet me here, but he couldn't be here because he was on a road job. I work a road job. It just didn't work out well for me to get this truck in any decent, timely manner. But it was on a buddy's property of his. And the buddy's property it was on, there was some altercations between him and his wife. And don't really know what happened, but he wound up in jail. It's the buddy's dad's property. And the lady filed a restraining order on her husband who's in jail. And the dad of the husband. So they can't come on this property. And they said stuff's missing from it now and going missing. So we hurried up and got down here to get this truck before something happened to this truck. And as we're here, someone is buying parts off a semi back there. So she's definitely selling stuff. And I don't know, but most likely she tried to sell this because the hood was popped on it and stuff. And the hood is actually kinked where someone flung it open or something and hyperextended one of the hinges, so it locked, and then they tried to shut it. So the hood on the truck is actually kinked. So that's some damage. I don't think there's any other damage. I don't think there's probably stuff taken from it. But it did get messed with at least. So we're gonna go ahead and scooch this around on the trailer so we can get headed down the road. So let's do that. Alright, so this is how I'm strapping it. I probably have, I don't know how long it was out here. I'm gonna guess probably around 250 miles out here would be my guess. So I'm only hauling 250 miles, but I know some of you are gonna complain about the way I'm strapping it. So I'm gonna give you all my reasoning on why I'm strapping it like this. So what I'm doing, I like running the excess through a big hole in here. That's just how I like tying it up. Everyone does it differently. But I do have some points of contact of straps rubbing on metal. Not the best. And I only have one strap on the back, and I'm doing the front the same way with one strap. As you can see, there might be a tear in my strap right here. Take a good look at it. And I know a lot of you are gonna say this is wrong, but I'll tell you, I'm experienced in this. I've seen it done right. I've seen it done wrong a whole lot. And I know what's wrong and right because I do it wrong. And that's wrong. So don't do that. So here in the front, same thing, one strap wrapped over and V'd over the axle. And this one, surprisingly, isn't cut up too bad, so it'd be all right. How I like to put my tail up is I usually buy a ratchet strap that has some excess material not stitched here. You just look at them in the store. You can order ratchet straps, but these are just cheap ones from the store. That's how these came. You just find one with extra material there. And you leave it loose. And you tuck it through there, and you cinch it down. As you cinch it down, that gets tighter, and it doesn't put much of a bungee in it, so you don't have to worry about that. So, there it is again. Strapped the same way on the back as the front. Don't do it like that. That's wrong. So any of you in the comments gonna call me out for putting wrong strapping on the truck. I already called myself out. No need to. Don't do that. And I'm gonna put it in park so it doesn't go nowhere. That's the big deal. As long as it's in park, it's never gonna move, right? Straps don't matter. And I forgot, I took the rear drive shaft out, so I have to lock in the front four-wheel drive to put it in park. It fixed. Alright, so I'm getting fuel. Since I last fueled up, I had only gone 133 miles, and I got 10 miles a gallon. I was just by a good place to get fuel, so stopped and got fuel. And we have like 4 hours to go. We're going to Hot Springs, Arkansas, so we'll get on the road and head that way. Well, I'm here fueling up at this very busy gas station, and I just got 7 miles a gallon. Still got an hour to go, and nice whopping 7 miles a gallon. So just fueled up to a full tank. Let's hit the road. guys, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. We drove the new truck about 500 miles in all today, I think. We got about an average around 7 miles per gallon towing and about 10 miles per gallon non-towing. It worked out pretty good overall. The truck works great for towing, just not the best on fuel economy. And this trip went good and smooth. The truck went right up on there and just turned out to work out good and be a good, safe trip. So thank you all for watching. Once again, all the support is greatly appreciated. All the liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing really boosts the channel and really helps us out. So thank you all for that, and we'll catch you on the next one on Black Diesel Garage. See you guys.